Hey guys, it's John or Cincentriq here. Now I'm going to be bringing you another Max on Cinema 4D tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make a intro. So this is just going to be a simple intro. I have my lights that I merged in here, and my mode text basically is what we learned about last tutorial. 50 depth, subdivision 10. Yeah. So then I got the fillet caps on here to make it look rounded, and then I made a little glossy red material. So let's get started. Now I usually do manual keyframing, and to do this I usually go to camera and I put on a camera, and then I go to cameras up here, use camera, and then click this camera. Now this puts you in the perspective of the camera. So whatever you're looking at is going to be what the intro is going to be looking like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come straight into here. And we are going to now tilt the screen over and put it, and now we're going to back up. Okay. So as you can see, I'm a little bit off. So I'm going to actually fix it and drag over. Okay. And come back out a little bit. Then move my screen up. And come back out a little bit. And move my screen up. Okay. So I'm going to start over here. Now this is just some basic camera movements. So as you can see, I extended my timeline to 120 frames. Now we're going to start at 0, and we're going to come down here and press this little key button. And that's going to record our position. Now you're going to want to move it to 60, because I have my frame rate at 120, which is going to be 4 seconds. So, and now I'm going to move over. And I'm going to come out to about the middle. So I'll move myself over a little bit. And see, about right there is good. So now I'm going to press the key button again. That's going to record that position. Now I'm going to move it to 120, and we're going to go over to this side, move our little camera, and come back down on the other side of the text object. So back out, straighten it up, and straighten it up a little bit more. And that looks about good. So now we're going to press the key button again. That's going to record that position. So now if we come here, this is how you can play and move to the, go to the start of the animation, go to the back of the animation, stuff like that. Press this little play forward button, and it's going to show you what your animation looks like without any rendering on it. So as you can see, it's just pretty simple. It goes around the text. You can do a bunch of different stuff. And as I learn more, I'm probably going to come out with some more tutorials for camera editing and stuff like that. So I'll show you my render settings real quick. Now, if you do not have QuickTime, you want to get QuickTime. This is how you make intros in this. Once you download QuickTime, you'll get all these. And if you're going to make a intro, you're going to want to hit QuickTime Movie. Okay? And I have global illumination, ambient occlusion on here, of course, because it gives it a better, more like detailed shadows and everything like that. And I have anti-aliasing of geometry. Now the most important part here is you're going to want to go to Output, and you're going to want to go to Film and Video, and HGV, the setting that we use for all the other pictures. And so you want to make sure you got that, and resolution. Now you're going to want to come down to frame range, and you're going to make sure you have all frames selected. That's going to do your timeline. Or you can do manual, and you can say I want it from 0 to 120 because that's where my thing ends, and keep the frame step at 1. It's just going to add one extra frame to make sure that it renders right. And I already rendered mine, and I already rendered to my desktop. So this is how it's going to turn out. It's gonna be in a QuickTime movie format, and like I said, it's gonna be pretty glossy depending on the material you excuse me, that you use. But I already rendered mine, and this is what I got. You can play around with the settings. This is gonna take a really, depending on your computer, it might take a really long time. So, but as you get better at this, you can do more effects. Like my friend just got Cinema 4D, and he's already working with some of the effectors. Like I think today he was working with the random effector. So yeah, like it's pretty quick to learn, but once you start out, it's really hard to get the hang of. Now, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope that helped, and peace out.